Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, not here to rub salt in anyone's wounds or anything, but pretty brutal day here for the chart. The bulls did show some signs of strength, and when I say that, I'm talking about, after today. Obviously, if you bought before today or bought during, bought right there or bought right there, then yeah, there's not much bullishness going on. So when I talk about anything revolving the bulls or strength, I'm talking about, those people that were watching it later on in the day. And what I mean by that is, obviously, it started off very, very nasty, but then you got to give them credit where credit's due. The bulls finally did level things off, and even late days did start to bounce the price back upwards. Now, this could very well be just a dead cat bounce, and there's not any sort of true strength behind it, and then the price is just going to roll back over. But as it stands right now, the bulls did start to show some some strength, push the price upwards. So now we got to monitor kind of the health of this current move, and the easiest way to measure health is just see if the price can stay up above levels of support. And I want to map out kind of a little support zone here. Top of the support zone being right there at $4.15. Bottom of the support zone being at $4. Meaning if the price, comes down here and rolls back over and crashes through both those areas of support, well, at that point in time, the price is essentially right back to that range of the chart. And prices going back are not signs of true strength, right? If this is some sort of bottom, if this is some sort of true bounce, well, then the price is going to bounce, right? The price isn't going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. Now, in the event that price does start to bounce, where are some of these hurdles that the bulls are going to have to cross? Initial hurdle, really the key kind of one up there is at about $4.60. So $4.60 initial level, and then after that, keep an eye on the purple line right there. I realize that line is very far up there, but that's a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that level it's going to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. But before you even talk about or think about that 50-period simple moving average, first key level again right here at that $4.60 mark. So a whole lot of volume in this one, a lot of volatility. So it'll be interesting to see how this all unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.